It's January 23rd, 2024, and Descript has rolled out version 81. We have some pretty big updates today, so let's talk about it. So this first one I'm going to show you is really cool. I'm really excited about this. This is a huge upgrade, and it has to do with the animations. Until now, Descript's animations were always linear. They always moved at the same speed. So for example, if I play this animation, it's just a rectangle zooming in, and it moves at the same speed. What they've added is the ability to change the speed. So there's an ease in and ease out, where it starts slow, gets faster, and then comes out slowly. Or ease in, where it starts slow and picks up speed throughout the animation. Or ease out, where it starts fast and then gets slower at the end. Or linear, which is what we've always had in Descript up until now. So let me just show you the ease in and ease out, and pay attention to the square. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about that. That is something that was lacking. And the animations in Descript are still a little tricky. So I'm looking forward to what they do in the future to improve the UI on this particular feature. But to me, this is a huge upgrade. The next new update we have is that wherever you click in your transcript or in your timeline, the cursor right here and the playhead here in the timeline move together. So if I click there, notice how the cursor is after the word project, or vice versa. If I click the word your, it moves it here on the playhead. This didn't used to happen. You used to have two separate places to keep track of. And I had a lot of clients that complained about this. They're like, why can't I, keep these together? And so to me, this is just a common sense UI thing and improves the quality of life of using this product. Next, we now have the ability to remove an effect from within the sidebar, within the properties bar. So if you click on a layer, and you can see I've applied an effect called blur, and I can now remove it. There's this now remove effect button right here. So this just makes it a little bit more convenient to remove an effect after you've applied it. And now that effect is gone. Next new thing is that they've upgraded the text to image feature. So this is where you type in a text prompt like, make me a picture of an airport or an airplane or whatever, anything you want, and it'll generate, using artificial intelligence, an image. And they've upgraded from DALL-E 2, which is the old model, to DALL-E 3. So the back end thing that's processing those images is a much better model. And to get there, we go to the media bin, we go to images, and then you go to text to image. And let me make this into my box here. So images, text to image, and then you enter your prompt. Let me type in photorealistic field of grass with sunny sky. And you hit enter and just let it process. And there we go. These are the images that it made. And I can just click on it to add it, or I can hit this little generate variations for it to make more versions of the same thing. And there we go. How cool is that to have a higher quality image generation inside of your videos? And then the final thing is, as always, tons of bug fixes. Fix an issue with the toolbar pop-up being deselected when navigating outside of the script. And I'm not going to read all these, but they're here. The software is always getting better. It's always working a little bit better. And we're getting fewer and fewer bugs with each version. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.